Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what Party Pooper is and how it can be used ethically on Kali Linux. Party Pooper is a Python toolkit that allows you to control Bluetooth devices on a Linux system. This means that you can use it to scan for nearby devices, perform L2Ping of Death tests, and send thousands of beacons to connect to BT devices via RFCOMM. Party Pooper is perfect for when you're trying to annoy your neighbors or just want to have some fun. However, it's important to use it ethically and responsibly. Before you can use Party Pooper, you'll need to have the following requirements met. Python 3.x.xt ARM command line terminal emulator. HCI tool command line tool for Bluetooth device scanning. L2Ping command line tool for BLUTOOTH device testing. RefCom command line tool for Bluetooth device connection. And external Bluetooth adapter. To install Party Pooper, you can clone the GitHub repository. Once you've cloned the repository, you can install the toolkit. Now that you've installed Party Pooper, you can start using it. To scan for nearby devices, you can run the following command, python3partypooper.py scan. This will scan for all nearby Bluetooth devices and display their MAC addresses and names. To send thousands of beacons to a device, you can run the following command, python3partypooper.py beacon MAC address. This will send thousands of beacons to the specified device, which can cause it to disconnect from other devices. It's important to use Party Pooper ethically and responsibly. Do not use it to harm or annoy others. Only use it on devices that you own or have permission to use. Party Pooper is a powerful tool that can be used to control Bluetooth devices on a Linux system. However, it's important to use it ethically and responsibly. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech videos. I'll see you in the next one.